Right, so here we are with the Fidelity 2000 with no transmitted audio from a dealer in Sheffield, and it's all sorted. I'm not surprised he couldn't find it. And let's go over to Mega Chippie channel, Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, that's working.
Excellent. Right, I'll plug my extension squeaker in.
Roger, and let me know when you're ready.
Right, I'm now done and ready.
Roger that, off we go then.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're up to the end of the lane, past the lay-by woodies and it's dark.
Roger, Dodger, that's done.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Lancaster service station.
Roger, got you passing Lancaster service station, which is no doubt shot.
That's correct.
How are we doing for time?
Yeah, it's 8:05.
We're just a bit late, aren't we? Would like to get them in between 7 and 8. But I did have to fix it.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill, go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Fidelity CB2000FM. It's a Cybernet 134 set from 1981. And it's doing a full 4-watt output on our standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, Dodger. I can hear the rain. It's a bit ropey out here with the rain, isn't it?
Yeah, it almost looks like sleet. It dropped as a massive.
What about 8 days of solid rain? It never rained here.
Oh, that has now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Woolsford level crossing. They're waiting there today.
Oh.
Okay, not heard from you.
Oh, I think I forgot Kelbyturn, didn't I? Anyway, we passed the Kelbyturn.
Roger, in your own little world.
Yeah, that's right. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, if it's grey there today. Yep, Roger.
Yeah, it's horrible. Probably why I missed the Kelby turning. It's the rain. It's hypnotic.
Yes, I've snow like that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you. 5 mile points on this Fidelity 2000 Cybernet 134 set. It's in 1.2 amps, showing 1.2 amps to generate the full 4 watt output. We're going to go on to low power now. 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 54321. Now we're on 400 milliwatts and the radio is showing 500 milliamps. 54321 and back to full power. There we are, back on full power. Over.
Yeah, no problem. Received well on both. There is a bit of interference, but I can still hear you.
Excellent. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger, got you on the move again.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over. Yeah, 153.7 and 165.9.
Customer came through for those 2000 today. told in the petrol price at Lancaster. So you doing Mr. Chippie out of the job. Anyway, that test was great. Thank you.
Yeah, Roger D. All received. 10-7.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rotel level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that one? Over.
You're 163.7 and 165.9.
Roger on that. Customer came for his Fidelity 1000 today and he told me the petrol price at Lancaster. So you're doing Mr. Chippie out of a job. Anyway, that test was great. Thank you.
Yeah, Roger D. All received.
10-10. That's lovely. Right, we'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Fidelity 2000 into our Midland 76900 base station on the standard replacement mic. Here we go with a power test, just looking for hum really. 54321, now we're on low power, and then we are back to normal power, 4 watts. So another very nice Cybernet 134 set, the one with the biggest